guys, hope you all well. As you've seen already from the title, this video is a Shein Try on haul. That's a summer edition. Got quite a few things. Let's see what I got without any further ado. I'm so excited. I kind of remember what I got, but not really. I just opened the whole pack just to see what it is as a pack, but then I haven't opened any of the items. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit or how it's gonna look, so without any further ado, let's do it, right? I got quite a lot of like super affordable. I mean, Shein is super affordable anyways, but some items were even on a sale, so it cost like only £3 or something, so it's like, why not? So first item that I got is this. I like that it's like labeled, packed, you know, by Shein. So this item is the, ooh, what's a paper inside as well? The shorts, like a cycling shorts. I got this in a size XS. Material is super like soft, like a cotton, but it's a bit stretchy, so I'm not sure. Oh, it has a spandex, and so that's why. So it's a bit stretchy, but then it's super soft, like it's super soft. What I liked about it, I think this one was on the sale as well. It was only like £3 or £4, but what I liked it that is like a wide waistband. So I thought it's gonna be all stretchy on a waistband, but then it has only like this little elastic here, like that size, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm not happy about, because I thought it's gonna be, you know, properly like elastic, this wide elastic. You guys, this is like extremely super comfy. I wasn't expecting that, honestly. This is so comfortable. Love this. Love this. Definitely gonna be wearing this a lot now, especially lounging around at home. It actually looks good, like I'm surprised. I thought the size might be a bit big on the like legs, might be a bit too wide, but actually fits perfectly. Material, as I said, is super comfy. I like this tie-dye design as well. Super comfy for lounging around, for, you know, at home or going to beach or whatever. Super comfy, yeah. Love this. Love this. Love the tie-dye design. It's comfy, it's stretchy. Or just lounging around, I think this is gonna be my new go-to, because now I lounge around in a like black cycling shorts, Mixo from Primark, I think. It's just super comfy as well, so this is gonna be my new go-to lounge around shorts, I think. Especially in the summer, it's perfect, right? Also, let me know in the comments down below which item is your favorite, guys. Okay, another thing that we got in here. Oh, I just opened up. I think this is like a tube top I got. Yeah, this is like a tube top, the bow tube top. So this is how it's supposed to look. It looks extra small. I mean, I took in a size XS. This is what I usually wear, size 6, like UK size 6 or size XS. It looks super tiny. So, I'm not sure if it's gonna be too small for me a bit. Maybe it will be good. I don't know. I'm gonna try this on and we'll see. But like, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to tie this, but I really like this tube top. Like, I thought it's gonna be too small, but then it's quite big. Like, there's loads of, you know, material going on in here. So as I said, if you have bigger, you know, chest, this would be perfect for you, because you can just adjust the size how you prefer it to. I mean, this doesn't really match together much, and I wouldn't go for this combo normally. It looks very much 80s now. So I think this looks cute. What do you guys think? Super comfortable as well. Yeah, I love this top. Love this. Just need to decide how it's better to tie this like part. You know what I mean? But it looks good. So when it's on, it actually fits perfectly. Like I thought it's gonna be far too small and too cropped, but it's cropped like perfectly on the waist, and it's super comfortable. And then you tie this bow like properly, so even if you have bigger chest, I know girls with bigger chest kind of struggle to get the tight tops that would fit the chest in. So this is like a perfect option, because you can tie as, you know, loose or tight as you wish. Like, I don't have bigger chest so that's not an option for me, but I think you get the idea. Like, that's perfect if you are, you know, have a bigger chest and you're kind of struggling with a top, tight top. This could be it. And I think this was on a sale as well. Yeah, love this. I mean, when I unpacked, it didn't look as good, because it just looks like, what is that? But then on, it looks amazing. So even the shop, if I would see this, I would never pick up. I would just think, A, it looks too small, B, it just, what is that? But then it's on, it actually looks amazing. Love this. Definitely gonna wear or win. I don't know how you guys, but buying online is not my favorite thing. Like, I like to feel the clothes, I like to touch it and like to, you know, measure and all. Because buying online is kind of hit and miss. Well, at least it's for me. So far, it's good. Okay, let's see what we got next. Oh, I picked up, I know exactly what it is. I picked up like a gym leggings, and I'm gonna tell you why. So I did one Shein try on haul already. That was my very first time ordering from Shein, and I ordered like a black leggings, which I thought is like a leggings for, you know, sports leggings for jogging or anything, but it turned out to be lounge leggings, which are just stretchy, but like a cotton stretchy material rather than, you know, like a spandex kind of material, which would be like a gym leggings made of. So I was really disappointed. Plus I took a size XS and it said it will be high-waisted, but it was like, the layer for me was humongous. So that's why I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give it a go. But this time I checked the description properly, and this one said that it's a sports leggings. So we'll see. I'm pretty sure I ordered all size X or 6, whatever was, again, paper wrap, whatever is available. Yeah, I ordered size XS. These are just like a gray leggings with like a pattern going on around. It looks good. Size wise it looks good. It doesn't look like it's humongous and big. Material is super stretchy. Love is high-waisted wide waistband, which is actually elastic and stretchy. This is what I wanted for this cycling shorts. I don't think it's called cycling shorts, even for those shorts. This is what I thought it's gonna be. I'm happy with those shorts because it's so comfy. Alright guys, I got the leggings on, and I actually really like it. Like the size is perfect. It's not like super huge like a previous that I ordered from Shein, because I thought it's gonna be a sports leggings, but then these are. I love this wide waistband, which is like super stretchy and elastic. And these leggings is just so comfortable. It's perfect for my morning workouts or for jogging if I ever do that. I'm not a person who likes to run. I prefer to exercise early in the mornings, but running is just not for me. But other than that, this is amazing. Very comfortable, very well made, like surprisingly well made. This is what I noticed in my previous Shein haul. The quality is just very well made. Like, for the price, quality wise, it's better than Primark, and it's cheaper, I think, than Primark Shein if you compare. So yeah, really surprised. If you think that I'm praising this brand too much, it's not sponsored. With my money, just generally liked it. Yeah, love this leggings. Very comfortable. Definitely gonna be wearing it, and it's spot proof, and it stays in a place. It doesn't like slide off or anything. Yeah, it's a win. We're winning so far with this shopping haul. Love it. Alright, another thing I got, because it's a summer, I needed like a cute summer set, and I noticed that Shein does loads of like different summer sets. I was thinking to get like a cute dress, but then I have so many little dresses, and in my previous Shein haul I got amazing dress. If you haven't seen this, check that video out. That dress is so beautiful. So in this one I got this cute set. I think this was on a sale as well, I'm not sure. Probably, I'm gonna link it if it was. So it's 2-piece set. Got this. They had like loads of colors. I took this green with like a little daisies, I think. So we got this high-waisted shorts with a wider waistband, which is super stretchy, and yeah, I like it actually. It's quite tight, so it's gonna like sit in place. And then we got like this like a belt, but it's only from a halfway from a side to put in the front or in the back, or just the way the picture shows. So this is how it's supposed to look. This is what we got so far. So the high-waisted shorts, super light material, perfect for hot days or just for chilling, with this like bow part. And then we got a crop top, which is, oh, that looks, oh hello. Okay, this looks rather interesting. I was kind of imagining a bit different thing. I thought it's gonna have like an elastic part in here. So this is a back part, and it's supposed to go around like this. Wait, I'm just gonna try now, because why not? It's supposed to go like a bow. Ooh, I don't know if I like this, guys. Okay. Let's try and see. Like in a picture, the way they show, this bow looks huge on me. It just doesn't look that huge. Alright, let's try this on properly. Okay, so I got this 2-piece on. So the top, I think, actually kind of looks good. Like, I can't complain. But then the shorts, like it's super high-waisted, which I like. But then it sits very weirdly, so I'm not sure. Like it's supposed to be like this? What do you think? And then this part, to go into this. But then I kind of have double bow, which, you know, like I'm not sure if I like this. Kind of looks good, but I think I'd rather have this in the back. It kind of miss pockets as well. I wish we have, you know, pockets in here. So the shorts are actually very high-waisted. I wasn't expecting that. And then this like half belt bow thing. I'm not sure if I should wear it on the front or a back. And the top is very strange. I mean, if you have bigger chest, as I said before, you probably could go braless, but because I don't have this, I would wear a bra. It's kind of weird to hide the bra, so I'm not sure about this. What do you guys think of this set? Because I kind of like it, but then I don't know, I just don't feel comfortable in it. But it looks pretty though, it looks cute. I can't argue that part. It just looked better in a picture online than I think it looks on me. It doesn't look the same, but oh well, you win, you lose, right? That's buying online. Okay, so the last thing that I got, because it's the summer, I got the bikini. Because why not? Okay, so it's a tie-dye bikini because I feel like a tie-dye is a theme of 2020 summer. I know I'm not going on vacation this year anywhere because, well, my situation, but I still can, you know, do a staycation and go to a beach if we're gonna have a nice and sunny day back here, or just sit in my little patio garden and tan. So I got this bikini. This is like a triangle bikini with a metal. It has this metal like frame thing in here going on, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be comfy. A little padding as well. It's not like huge padding or anything, it's tiny padding, but then you can take it off. It has a little holes. I need a padding though because your girl doesn't have much going on, so you know, extra support is always welcome. These parts are adjustable as well, which is perfect. Only thing, as long as I see, the back part is not adjustable. Like I would prefer to have like a little, you know, like our bikinis come like with extra hooks to go inside, but it's just like a metal hook part with one size, which I am not super happy about. Yeah, so it's only like one size, so you can't really adjust this part. I took in a size S because XS wasn't available, plus the bottoms, bikini bottoms, look quite tiny, but I'm rather not risk and go first. I mean, you're gonna see soon. But the top looks like this so far, and then bikini bottoms, as I said, that's why I went for S, is bikini tiny. So I'm not sure how this is gonna look. I like that it came with this, you know, protective sticker and all, and I like that it has all this, you know, Shein logo going on. Plus this is like a silicone label rather than material, which is perfect for bikini if you're not cutting your labels off. It has this like a two strings going on the side, a bit like a high-waisted string bikini, I think. Tongue bikini, what do you think? I think I need to try like Brazilian cut. Here you go, that's the word. It's a Brazilian cut bikini. It looked cute on the model, but then I'm not really, you know, blessed with a, you know, so this might just look on me. Let's just try it on and see. Alright you guys, got this bikini on. I love actually the bra part. I wasn't expecting it's gonna look like this. It's actually quite comfortable. I would like some more push-up though, because it's just me. This is what I prefer, but it looks quite good, I think. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. This could be a bit tighter. I would want this to look tighter a little bit, but not complaining. It's good. I think it looks pretty good. I'm not sure about the bikini bottoms. I feel a bit like conscious because it's so cut out, and as long as I love my body, I don't think that I can be flashing it that much. Although if I would be somewhere in baking, like, you know, Thailand or Bali or something where it's super hot, probably I'd be like, yeah, fine, everyone's wearing that, so why not? But yeah, it's cute. I like this tie-dye. I like the way it sits. I wish the padding on the bra would be a bit, you know, bigger, because that would just boost my confidence. But other than that, I think it looks pretty. Like, it looks good. What do you guys think? I'll let you judge. I love it. And that's all the items I got in the Shein haul. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. I think my favorite is the like lilac top. I think that's my favorite because it looked completely different when I took it out from the bag and it looked on. I love it on. I don't like the way it looks, you know. Yeah, so let me know what's your favorite, and maybe you got any of these already, and let me know as well what you would like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more videos like this, or should I do more reviews or tutorials or vlogs? Yeah, talk to me, let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more, and I shall see you very soon. So thanks so much for watching, and bye! Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao!